Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn how to add a new saved password in Google Chrome. Whether you want to manage your logins better or make future sign-ins easier, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. It can be on a computer, a phone, or a tablet. The process is almost the same everywhere. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. That's the menu button. Go ahead and tap or click on it. From the list of options that appears, select Settings. This is where all of Chrome's customization tools and privacy settings are located. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find Password Manager. It might also appear under Autofill depending on your device. Tap Password Manager to open it. Now you'll see a full list of websites and apps where Chrome has already saved passwords, if any. To add a new one, find and tap the button that says Add Password. A window or pop-up will appear with three fields: Site or app, username, and password. In the first field, type the website or app name where you want to save your login information, for example, facebook.com or gmail.com. In the username field, type the email or user ID you use to sign in. Finally, enter your password in the last box. Take a quick look to make sure everything is typed correctly. Once you've double-checked, tap the Save button. Chrome will now securely store your new login details.